Okay, now these are like the best thing ever that came out next to sliced bread. You understand? Petty thing, petty bit, petty bit, bit.
Vananga, sir.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another KeneishaSays. Guys, I just realized again, if you had watched my last vlog, you see where I bought this shoes cover dispenser, and I said that I was gonna return it because it not work. It's just too much going on with it. So I put it down this morning right at the front of the door to remind myself to actually pick it up, to drop it off at Whole Foods. That obviously not happening because I forgot it. As y'all know, I normally start off my day dropping off the kids at school. If you don't know by now, then you are not a regular watcher. And if you are not, welcome to my channel. I just dropped the kids off at school. The intention was to drop the kids off at school and go drop off the shoes cover dispenser to return it to Whole Foods. That's not happening because I left it. I'm not going home to get that. So that is going to be done tomorrow. What am I doing now? What I'm doing now is I'm going straight down to JN, send out some money, and I think I wanted to go to the hair store because I still got this hair store yet, guys, from like 2 vlogs ago. I still haven't gone to the hair store. I wanted to go today. That can happen maybe in the evening or maybe tomorrow as well. Today's actually Tuesday. Yesterday was Memorial Day. Yesterday I didn't do anything. We got invited to one of Troy's uncle, like I think they had like some get together over there yesterday. But I was really tired because I had a long weekend at work. So yesterday I kind of just spent most of my days in bed and editing. I edited 2 videos yesterday. I have one I'm gonna post that when I go back home. And the other one, hopefully I can post that by Thursday or Friday. Or maybe Monday. I don't know. Depends on what's going on. But I have 2 videos, one to be posted. And with that being said, today the kids, everybody was off. So today the kids just started back to school or going back to school. So I just dropped them off. I'm going to go by, drop off the money. I think I'm going to stop by Golden Crust, get some patty. FIFA patty. I have FIFA patty from when because my sister keep on bread my eyes them with juicy patty at Jamaica, and me get upset. So me go get patty now. I'm gonna call her, rub it in her face. I know it's not as good as juicy patties, but you know what? Just the fact that I have patty this morning, and I guarantee her she's not gonna have any. Yeah, it's a petty thing, petty Betty thing this morning. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be a partial weekly vlog. It may turn into that because I really don't have a lot of things planned this week. I finally did a full vlog, why can't I speak this morning? Oh my goodness. I know I actually did a whole week vlog the other day. I'm so proud of myself. Every single day I pick up the camera and do something. I did it so I actually had like whole 3 hours worth of content, okay? Raw footage, 3 hours, and I cut it down to 1 hour and 12 minutes. I'm so proud of myself, okay? So proud of myself. So, yeah, me. So this week, obviously, Monday's already gone. I was planning on picking up like last night, but I got to take a shower. And I said, you know what I'm saying? Should I take up the phone and do something? And I'm like, no, Keneisha, you're not that vlogger, right? You're not that person who's gonna show up off the bed. We're not doing that. We're not joining that crew. So I'm like, you know what? Let's start it fresh this morning. So here we are. So I'm gonna go Jen, go Golden Crust, get some patties. It's now 9:24, so we're extremely late at school this morning. Go home. I have a couple more packages we can open today. Look, I'm driving. I don't want to be safe. Keneisha, be safe. Be safe. A couple more packages that we're gonna open. Not a lot, just a couple. I will be doing the office very soon. I have everything for that now. So I may start that vlog today as well, or that video today. Not sure. But I do have a lot of cleaning up to do. I have laundry, I have all kind of something to do. Obviously, it's my regular weekly something, right? Let's see where the day takes us. It's very young. Very, very young. Okay. So, let's see. And, my husband finally started the garden. Well, let me dig it up and take out the edge them. So, he said he already purchased the borders and stuff. I said I'm coming to KeneishaSays just need to be picked up. So, me I wait on that. The seat. He finally changed the door, but the door is is put up partially. Because I don't have to watch the video for that. But just know the progress is making. The sad part is that I'm not home when he's doing these things. He took he was off yesterday. He was normally off on a Sunday. He took Saturday and he was off on Friday. So he had 4 days and him doing like a something pro time. Doing like a thing. But I'm not home when he's home those days because remember I work Friday through Sunday. So I'm not able to record and he's not recording. So the only option I have to really show the footage is basically to pull from the ring cam, which is not going to show all the details. It's not going to get all the angles. You know what I mean? But I'm going to have to pull those footage from the ring cam and from the garage camera. Again, not going to show everything, but maybe see what I can find and be a little creative and see what I can do. Yeah, so I'll see when I reach at Jane. Okay. Hi guys, so I am actually in the parking lot. Well, not for the parking lot, but parking lot enough for a reach road here. Right? So me I walk out now. Me dress like some of nobody. But hey, it's a Keneisha look. Comfy. Today is very nice. It started off at 50 something degrees. And I think it's gonna up into the high of 70 something degrees. So a little sweater and something, sweatshirt and a jogger is what I'm rocking right now. Very comfy. So I am heading over to the GN as I said before. So I have some money and Golden Crest is right beside it. So I'm gonna stop over there. I mean, I like buy Golden Crest patty early enough because I look for a patty they get. But let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so we're in Golden Crest. We get some patties now. We just finished with JN. Alright, so I'm about to order. I'll order for myself and TJ and then we'll go home. 4 spicy beef. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're done at the Golden Crest. We just get 4 patty, 4 spicy beef. Heading back to the car. I'm gonna call my mom to let her know that the money was sent off. And I go straight to home. I don't call my sister. I make sure know some of my patty. I'm not in her face. The thing with me is that I cannot eat patty when it's cold. So I have to start munch pan it in the car. Once it's cold, it can't heat up. So I only patty pan my hand like say cold. It actually is very hot. Patty enough to eat cold. Patty enough to warm up. So I'm at the car now. Listen, so I walk and I must make sure to watch my surroundings, because when I'm on camera, I'm not really paying much attention to my surroundings, which is not good and it's not safe. So I need to watch behind me and let me know if nobody come in. What do you have to tell me? Have to tell me. Gotta sanitize. All these dirty stuff going on. Even though COVID done, I need to change my sanitizer. I have a new sanitizer on my from Dollar Tree from when and I see the ad something there. Don't use it yet. Still I don't know what the pure one I have. Yeah. So I'm gonna taste the patty first. I have to eat one. So golden crusty. It's the spicy beef. It's not a juicy beef, trust me. So, if I get hot, I might myself a cake. Okay. When you choose Jamaican, you say, I saw long patty eat. If your mouth now burn you, if you're not good, so, you're not eat good patty. The more fear kill you, you're well hot. And then you use the patty. Well, do your job. Alright guys, I'm not eating patty. I can't eat my when I wash myself. I feel afraid. I'm not pride. Okay. So I'll see you when I get home when I'm gonna open up those things, alright guys? Alright. So guys, I'm back home and look. So this shoe dispenser, the shoes cover dispenser that I left. Right, just gonna put it come and I'll grab it when I'm going out with the kids. Leave it same place. I'm gonna leave it right here again so I can actually grab it for tomorrow. TJ already grabbed impacted them and me already eat one of the car. And so I never get through to my sister them. So I couldn't get to show off with it. I'm belly already full. I have one more to eat. I'm belly full. So I'm not gonna play off. Anyways. I'm gonna sit in a couple bits and then we have some packages that we're gonna open. Same place in the corner. Alright, so I will be back. Guys, the place is a mess. I woke up with so much energy this morning. I had so much stuff I was gonna do. I'll come up without clean up, without the laundry, without wash dishes, without... I had all that energy. And right now, I don't have to do anything. It's gonna still have to be done. But it's not gonna be done right now. It's not gonna be done right now. So I'm actually gonna jump in and start showing you guys the stuff that I received over the weekend. And then I think I'm gonna lay down for a second. Some light in the oath at least. I feel so droopy and dark. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I got. Not a lot. I still have all the decor stuff in the corner here. For the outside, we still have the stuff in this add-on panny. So I'm gonna show you the things them, and then again, let's see what the day holds. Okay, we have reached the part of the vlog where I show you stuff. Okay, so guys, I don't know, me look dark. Me dark? It's giving very dark. I think that's better. That is better. We have already opened some of these packages. In case we want to get some other stuff out of it. So this one I'm more rocks one. More rocks. And this is called Royal Imports Rock Small. So these, remember the stuff that I purchased, the white vase thing, and I had the green fine drop-in greenery that I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna use some of this to hold it, as well as I'm also gonna use it. I told you that guys that these are from Amazon, by the way. Amazon. So also You remember the days I was trying to get? I returned the plastic one to Amazon. Never know what that is. That is foolishness. And I told you guys in another video that I had gone to Walmart online. I pulled out one just to see how it was, see if I had needed to return it. So I'm gonna show you fudge fingernail. So I am going to open the other one, but I want to show you. I took out the first one, and this is it. Isn't this beautiful? Look on this in comparison to what I got, the plastic thing. This is unbreakable, right? It's not easy to be broken at all. And it has this, like, I think you can also use this if you have like real plant water, because it has like a hole on the inside there. All right, so I just dropped the plant in there. Like I showed you guys, I just dropped it in there. So I am going to fix this up, heist up a little bit, like so, yeah. And that is why I have these additional stones as well, because I'm gonna just decorate it accordingly. So it kind of look real. So it's gonna look something like this with a little stones, fill it out. That's the look. Got 2 of these. That's basically what's in this one. This is just the second one. So because I'm not really ready for this yet, that's why I'm gonna open it up yet. But since for showing purpose, and do I need to open it when you already know? Let me just open it. See, it has cover and then the base. Very beautiful. Yeah. Let's drop it to see if it's breakable, but I'm not gonna chance it. But that is it. Beautiful. Love it. Now look on this in comparison to that. I think this was a little bit more expensive, but nonetheless worth it. Alright, so that's that. Okay. This was kind of hesitate if I needed to show you guys this. Remember I told you guys that the first cushions that I bought for outside were too big. I told that I purchased another one. Now, this is it. It's small. I haven't even tried it out yet. I don't need to try it out. But it's small. I come with the back and the base, like so. Come with a tie stuff. It's tied up to make sure it doesn't move. It is very comfy, feely, and it is the red. So it comes with a pack of 2. So this was way cheaper than the first one that I bought. So let's jump into the stuff that I actually got more recently, like over the weekend. So in this box, I remember when you. Oh, but this can't work then. This is supposed to be the flowers for outside. Set of 10 bongo. Plants of decoration. So these I have the yellow, a pack of 2, it's a 10 bongo, so I guess 2 colors each. So you have the red, you have the yellow, you have the purple. You do have orangish reddish looking thing. And then you have, I guess the pink, because this is purple and this is white. I'm wondering if I put 1 in each. So can't put 1 in each. I have 3 of them. The 3 thing that I have outside. I feel I'm gonna need 1 more bungalow of this. So I want to purchase 1 more of this for it to actually make sense. I think this is gonna be too small. Like I'm not gonna take out the rest of the stuff that I have out there. I'm gonna add it to it. But I think I'm gonna need 1 more set. Okay, now these are like the best thing ever that came out next to sliced bread. You understand? These are the Mount Metal plates. 6 round, 4 rectangle. Like you have smaller sizes. Let me tell you, I buy 2 pack. I had like 1 pack like forever. And for every phone case that I change, them hard to take off because them keep on the phone cases. So it's basically like the metal. Have a little bit of decoration. You put on your phone or whatever not. You have like the magnetic stuff in your car. Put on your phone so you can, because I have a magnet mount. Okay, phone mount. So you have different sizes. You have 2 small ones and there are 3 of them. You have 2 small ones. You have 4 of the bigger size circles, and then you have 4 rectangles. And these are very reasonable, guys. So again, I have one for like 2 years. Well, I've gone. Every time I change phone case, I have to change them. But them stick. Them sturdy, them stick. I can recommend this out of everything else I'm gonna buy. So about 2 packs, and I'm supposed to out for like one next 3-4 years, guys. Them stick. When the only disadvantage is that when it goes in your case, there's no coming off. It's stuck. Keep that in mind. So these are 8-pack premium fridge liners. Extra easy to clean, multi-purpose. So it's like this. So this is for the liner for this fridge. So, you know, Jamaican, I have a tendency of being lazy. And instead of putting stuff inside of containers to put them in the fridge, I just put the whole pot in the fridge. I know, you're not supposed to do it, but hey, sometimes it's up the fridge. So this, no, you put them in the fridge, you put it down on the shelf, you put your pot on it or whatever not, you're good to go. So I bought 2 packs of them. So I'm gonna clean the fridge thoroughly. I may do a video of that since I start recording everything because I'm a recording queen now. I don't know, I be recording a lot of stuff. I have one more box, guys. And can I tell you something? These videos are fun to do when I'm unboxing. It's a headache to edit. Let me tell you. Headaches to edit. And I also mentioned the cleaning up afterwards. The things we do for subscribers. So this have another box inside of it. Amazon loves the box. Oh, I know what it is. I'm not even gonna open this right now. You got to stay tuned for the office. This is a new ring light kit. You see it? It's a new ring light kit. I have a ring light already. But based on the reviews on this, it's very bright. It has 3 levels, I guess. And what I realize sometimes that when I'm using my ring light, it's not as bright, and you have to use all kind of additional light. Like I have the smaller lights, I have like the computer lights, I have the phone lights and whatever. Sometimes I have to be using everything to make it make sense. So now, especially since I'm making the I'm setting up in my office, which is where I'm going to be doing most of my videos, right? It makes sense that I'm going to need the lighting down there. It doesn't have good lighting down there. So I bought this, and I had this in my cart like for a good minute. And the other day there was like a flash sale on Amazon, and it popped up and said, Alexia, find something cheaper, and it went down to like $48 less than what the amount. It was like $100 and something dollars, $140 something dollars or whatever it is. I think so. And I got it for like $80 something dollars. So I had to jump on it immediately. So that's why this bag. So this is going on in the office. So if you watch the office video that I will be doing very soon, very soon, then you will see this in part of it as well. I also have a mirror here, but I will not do the mirror right now. That's a big bad. I'm gonna show you, but I'm not gonna open it. This is the one that I told you that had the LED stuff in there just as well. So this would also help me with my lighting downstairs. Because again, my office space is in the basement, right? So let me just show you, but I won't open it now because it's huge. I never noticed it's so big. But we're gonna make do. So this is it. This is how big it is. It's so long and it's heavy, right? I'm gonna have to try it because this is supposed to be downstairs. I may have my son bring this down for me, but makes sense if it's what's inside. But I'm gonna really want to open this up yet. I have to do the office video very soon because I have a whole bunch of stuff that I haven't tried it to see if I need to return them, and I don't want it to pass the deadline and then I can't return them. So I really need to do the office video very soon. Yeah, so guys, that is it. I have to go clean up now. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I have to go clean up now, and I'm gonna light on a little bit and something before I do anything else. Guys, yesterday I told you I was editing. You wanna know what I'm saying? Look at me to keep on get problems. Storage. I have so much stuff on this poor computer, which is what I had problem. It started feeling like when I was editing with my phone and I had so much stuff on it and I had to start finding ways how to get them off. So now the computer full. The computer it full, it exhausted, it's still here. I can't do no more. I do too much video and if it calm down, we can't do no more. I don't have no more space. The cloud full, everybody full, just stop. And yesterday in the middle of doing that, edit that long video, I'm telling you, the 3-hour video, I edit it down to 1:12 and try to edit it no more. The computer started to me say it can't work, it can't do nothing else. Guys, I feel it in my heart, I was about to cry. When I time it just chip out, everything's just gone. Thank God for Google, I found it back. I had to use my husband's external hard drive to kind of clear some stuff from it in order to continue editing. So I say all that to say I had to go ahead. Well, actually I didn't purchase this morning. I found some of the stuff them and I went ahead and I did the purchase. This is the last purchase I'm doing for the rest of May. But now I shop again for the rest of May. So this is May 30th. But now I shop again for the rest of May. I promise. No more shopping. But I went ahead and I made purchase of a hard drive, a 1 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive. I got the case for it as well. And I also got like the USB thingamajig where you can put several stuff inside of it to connect additional stuff as well if I need to do so. I also went ahead and got me a backpack to continue to add all my things because now I have so many equipment all over the place and sometimes when I really want them I can't really find it because they're all over. I've been put them up so well so I can't find them. And because I don't have my office space to put everything together, it's just like all over the place. So I bought me a backpack. I did buy something originally, but it was too small. So I bought me a backpack. And of course, everything on my telephone is pink. So you guys will see that. It should be delivered by next week, Monday, they say. So I bought a backpack to put everything in, my ring lights, all my goodies and stuff. I do have my laptop bag as well that is also storing some stuff. So yeah, I see me become a YouTuber. I have equipment now. For my camera, if me not get a camera for Christmas from my husband or anybody else, if me not get that camera, can I send it in a section like this is what I'm looking for. This just in case you plan on buying something. This is what I want. Send the camera. I'm send them the we call it the stand and all that good stuff. If I don't get it, then I want to treat myself for my birthday. The camera that I saw is like $700 and something, and with everything, stand and everything, I think it runs out to like $800 and something, not including shipping and taxes, right? So I'm going to go. Yeah, that things I don't have Amazon Prime. I don't. It's just cheap and don't want to pay for it. Amazon Prime. Yeah, I know. But anywho, and the other big purchase that I want to make for myself, I want to change. I currently have a MacBook 12 because originally when I was buying it, I heard that the 12 has better processing processors or whatever not that is good for editing for the software and stuff, like it's better, right? But I feel like I want a newer model, so hopefully, like maybe not immediately next year, but like maybe like the time year next year, I will buy myself a new MacBook for editing. Yeah, and depending on where I'm at in terms of my subscribers and how far I've grown with YouTube, then I may be able to start purchasing new editing software. Come cheap, so I still have to use iMovie. I feel like it's doing a good job, by the way. You just need to know if it be creative with it. But there are certain things that I want to do that iMovie cannot do when I'm with my creative skills start and juices start flowing. So I think I may do that as well when I get, next year in time here. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna tear that ear in me rambling. For some reason the light is not lighting right now. So yeah, I see you either today, the rest of the today, or I'll see you tomorrow.
Come here, say when me feel for say what you feel for say.